I'm Chef Jasper, and today we're in the kitchen preparing a wild mushroom stir fry. And when I say wild mushrooms, I'm telling you the gnocchi, of course, portobellos, baby portobellos, oyster mushrooms, and look at these king mushrooms. This is exciting. If you love mushrooms, if you love stir fry, this is your go-to dish, let me tell you. First of all, we just need to slice up some of these mushrooms. I have some ginger already prepared, but how do you want to do these mushrooms? I like them kind of long, like this here, so I'm just going to just gently slice them right there. I'm going to keep them long the whole way. I decided, yep, I'm going to do it just like that. And then, of course, look at these little gnocchi mushrooms. They just kind of peel apart. Oh, we'll do that when we put them in the pan. Look at this. Look at this right here. It looks like it's fake or something. Oh, the flavor of these. Again, I want some big chunks for my stir fry, so I'm not worried about it. And these get kind of crunchy. That's what we like about them. Now look at this. Just look at these little mushrooms. I'm just going to break those apart when I get into this, all right? Let me cut a couple of more of these up here just to get through everything. I mean, these mushrooms, it looks like a lot here, but once we start the stir fry, it really goes pretty quickly. And of course, they have about 75 to 80% water in the mushrooms, so they kind of dissolve a little bit. We want to really kind of hold on to that flavor. That's what I love. I have some beautiful snap peas, some carrots. Of course, let me do a little bit of garlic here. Oh man, here we go again. I'm telling you, I'm just going to slice that garlic up, nice little slices. I've noticed even in my Italian cooking, I'm using a little bit more garlic than I used to. And of course, we have some beautiful and just fresh right out of the garden. Look at these green onions. I may just cut the tips of these off and just throw the whole green onion in. We'll see when I get started. I don't know, I like this mushroom too. I'm putting this baby in there also. All right, let's fire up this pan, this beautiful wok I have here. And I'm telling you, this is a beautiful, I'm not lying to you, this is one of my favorites. It's heavy duty. Oh my gosh, come on. A little bit of sesame oil, just to start off with. I don't like a lot of sesame oil. I don't want to really overcome the flavor, you know, of anything. And of course, I start off with the ginger. Just kind of going through all my mushrooms here. Look at them, they're all so beautiful. I'll put a little ginger in right now. Just a little bit of garlic. Usually I don't like to cook the garlic too early, but I've sliced these a little bit bigger, so I think we're okay with that. Give them a good stir here. What I love about, using the wok is I use the whole pan to kind of get into it, and I just swirl everything around it, and I've just taught myself how to cook with a wok. You can too. Nothing special. You see this garlic? We don't want to burn. So it's kind of just like getting ready right now. I can smell the flavors. The sesame oil and the garlic, you don't think it works, but guess what? With that ginger, just an added benefit. I boiled some noodles here beforehand. Look at these. They're beautiful. Easy, come on. A couple minutes for the noodles, that's all it took. All right, time to start adding these mushrooms. The thicker ones I'm gonna add first. Look at this. I've never cooked with such beautiful mushrooms. This is a mushroom stir fry at the next level, I'm telling you. And these are a little bit harder also, so we'll add those now. Give this a good stir. Watch it start reducing. Yes, reducing. You don't need any chicken broth or any white wine or anything. These mushrooms will just start throwing off some of that water. I told you about these. Look, they're flaky. Look at this. They just fall apart. Come on, I don't know what else to tell you. Oh, come on. I have a lot of mushrooms here, I know that. There you go. I told you these gnocchis, they just fall apart. And then, of course, I'm going to add something that may take just a little longer also. I want a little crispy bite on them still, but I'm going to add my carrots right now because I really don't think I have another 3 or 4 minutes here. Carrots will throw off a little water also, so we like that. Here we go. I'm going to add a little bit of this rice wine vinegar now. There we go. A little soy sauce to give it a kick. Okay, you know me. I have it available all the time. Maybe a little bit of red peppers. Asian peppers. Oh yeah, that's great in here also. Now look at that. Look what's happening right now as I talk. Since I added that soy sauce and of course the rice vinegar, it's all starting to really cook down. And I kind of even cheat a little bit and just want to taste one of these myself. Oh yeah, I could kind of cut it with the back of this spatula, so we're good, we're good. Now, remember, snow peas cook very, very quickly. A couple of minutes at the most. We want that crunch in there. Carrots also, but you know. We're just gonna put these on top. We're not gonna stir yet. And then I have my green onions. I love green onions, you know that, so I'm gonna chop these little ends off here. Then I'm gonna do some angle cuts here. And this is what I love right here. Just this right here, just like this. We'll add all of this to this. This cooks very, very quickly at this point. And then I'm gonna add a whole one. Look at these mushrooms cooking down. Maybe another minute or so. I don't know. Not even that long probably. Let's toast some of these sesame seeds in here. Again, you want to add bell peppers. You want to add some onions, different onions. That's okay also. It's your dish. I'm just giving you a really, really classic old school style. Can you believe it? I'm done. Oh yeah. Maybe a little more soy sauce. I like a light soy sauce. This is it. It's beautiful. I'm ready to dish this up. Will you take a look at that? It's steamy. It's delicious. I mean, come on. Who's going to ever pass this up? And best of all, it's vegetarian. Yeah, come on. My beautiful, my delicious mushroom stir fry, wild mushroom stir fry. Come on. Look at the mushrooms we used. I don't think it gets any better. This is something I am honored to serve my family and friends, and something you're going to want to put in your recipe book. Jasper's Kitchen is brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.